Instagram is one of the best social media sites, but if you've had enough of it, or if you want to create a new account, here's how to deactivate or delete your current account on Instagram. If you want to just take a short break, then you might want to consider temporarily deactivating your account first before completely deleting it. Here's how to go about it. First, log into your Instagram account on your web browser. Next, click on your profile icon at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Profile, then select Edit Profile. Now scroll down, then click on Temporarily Disable My Account at the bottom of the page. Next, choose your reason as to why you're deactivating your account, then retype your password. Once you're done, scroll down, then click on Temporarily Disable My Account. But if you really want to permanently delete your account, you have to go to Instagram's Delete Your Account page by typing www.instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanent on your browser. You can also click on the direct link in the description below. Once you're on the website, you might be asked to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked for the reason why you want to delete it. Simply click on the three dots, then select a reason from the drop-down options. Next, enter your password for verification. Before you click on Delete Account, you can take note of the date at the bottom, which indicates when your account will be permanently deleted. Once you're sure that you really want your Instagram account to be gone, press Delete at the bottom, then click on OK in the pop-up prompt. And that's basically how to deactivate or delete your Instagram account. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe to watch other guides about all sorts of technology. Also, check out our other videos that we think you'll like.